Hi, it's Joanna with Broadcast Sunny, and it's Do It Yourself Wednesdays. Today I am repainting an outdoor chair that has been part of a Bistro set that I bought maybe 15 years ago. It's still in really good condition. It's just not looking like it's in good condition. And since it sits on my front porch and it's one of the first things people see, I thought it was a good idea to start painting it. To start, I'm cleaning the chair of grease, grime, dirt, and cobwebs. I use Simple Green as the cleanser, and I've used this for years as an all-purpose cleanser. It's environmentally friendly. It's even been used on the engine of a car. Anyway, spray it on, wipe it down, rinse, and don't forget the bottom of the chair, because I'm assuming you're painting that as well as I am. Now let it dry. Drying fast. I didn't want to get this stuff on me, so I used a disposable glove. After it dries, I sprayed on Rustoleum Rust Dissolver Gel. I used Rustoleum in the past, so I felt comfortable using it. After spraying it on, I used a foam brush to spread it. Then I let it sit for 30 minutes. So when I first did it, I didn't really like the results. So I did the process twice, and the second time I really made sure that I put the gel on thick. I think I might have spread it too thin than I should have, because once I did the bottom, because I did the bottom separately, that I only had to do once. After I put the rust dissolver on and waited 30 minutes, I wiped it down. I also brushed the chair a bit with a wire brush, not a lot. I probably didn't have to do this step, but I thought it couldn't hurt, and if anything, it can make grooves to help the paint stick to it when I spray it on. I wiped down the chair again. I didn't wash it a second time, although the paint directions recommends it. And now for the fun part, paint! I painted, waited a day, and painted again, so 2 coats. I used Rustoleum's Black Spray Paint because I wanted my Bistro set to shine.